So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this natural remedy or this cream that can help you if you are suffering from dry hairs or if your hairs are cracking. Yeah, this is what you need. Yeah, what you need is Vaseline, you need egg, and also you need lime. Yeah, so with the egg I'm going to be using the egg yolk. That's what you need. Yeah, and also if you are suffering from hair loss or if your scalp looks so dry, then you need this remedy. Yes, so I'm going to be sharing with you how you are going to put these things together. Guys, Vaseline has a lot of health benefits. I'm going to be leaving some of the health benefits of Vaseline on the screen here. Guys, it has been tested and approved. Yes, so guys, let's dive into the video. So now I'm going to be cracking my egg here. So what we need here is the egg yolk. That's what you are going to be using. You're going to be using the yolk here. We don't need the egg white here. So I'm going to be cracking the egg. So once I'm done, I'm going to get a spoon and then I'm going to get the yolk from the egg white. That's what I'm going to be doing here. That's what you need here. So you get a spoon, or if you have a way you can get your yolk, then use it here. So at this point I have my yolk now, so I'm going to use another bowl. Yes, so this is the bowl I'm going to be using. As you can see, we have our yolk here. So I'm going to put the egg white aside and then I'm going to work with this yolk here. So I'm going to be scooping like 2 tablespoons of this Vaseline. Yeah, this is Vaseline there. This is the original Vaseline here. So get the original one here. So I'm going to be scooping some here. Depending on the quantity you want to make. You know, egg has some smell here. If you leave it on your counter, guys, you will not like the smell after some days here. So if you want to make a lot, make sure you store it in your fridge. That's what I do. I store mine in my fridge here. So when I need it, I just go into my fridge, I take some and then I rub it here. And also, if you want to do this, make sure you shower. You know, after you shower, you see your hairs are very soft here. So if you apply it, you will get the results you need here. Make sure your hairs are wet before you apply this here. And also, if you want to use it for your hair, the same way, make sure your hair is a bit wet before you apply this here. So as you can see, the bowl I was using wasn't helping, so I changed into this bowl. So guys, make sure you mix the Vaseline and the egg yolk together very well. Yeah, so as you see me press it very until you see that everything has come together very beautifully. Yes, as you see me doing. So at some point I'm going to be adding my lime juice here. So with the lime juice, don't use a lot. You don't need too much because of the acid in lime. You need a little bit here, but because my lime, I didn't have enough juice in there, I'm going to be using the full lime. But if I had juice in there, even one half of the lime, I wasn't going to use everything. But there was no juice in this, so I have to use everything here. So don't use too much of the juice. Yeah, that's my advice here. So once you are done, you're going to mix these 3 things together. Mix it together very well. If you feel like the spoon you're using is full, get something to scoop it as you see me doing, and then mix it very well here. So guys, the reason why I'm doing this video, I know that most of us, that especially people that we live in abroad, because of the socks we wear like 24/7, our hairs always feel dry. Like mine is very hard. When I was in Ghana, I didn't have that problem. But here in the UK, guys, because of the cold weather, you cannot stay without socks. The only time you will see me without socks is when I'm going to shower. Sometimes even I take my socks off before I enter the shower. Guys, it's cold. It's cold. You don't want to put yourself at risk. Yes, because this cold weather, guys, if you suffer flu or cold, guys, it's not easy. So I always cover myself very well. My socks, I don't joke with my socks here. So as you can see, at this point we are done. So I'm going to be applying it. As you can see me, I'm going to be removing my socks and then I'm going to apply it. Guys, as you can see, my hairs are very dry, very hard. So you take some and then you apply it as you see me doing. So you're going to do the same thing to your hair. You apply it and you're going to leave it for half an hour to an hour. For your hair, you're going to wash it after, but for your hairs, you just get wipes and then you clean it off. That's it. Yeah, apply this, do this like every day. If you want, you can do it every day. Yeah, so as you can see, this is very simple and easy. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment. And also let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from, and also how long have you battled dry hairs or hair crack on your hairs, or hair loss, or dry scalp, let me know in the comment section here. So at this point I'm done, and as you can see I'm going to leave this for half an hour here before I clean it up here. So this is very simple and easy here. So guys, don't forget to share, as I said, and also because a lot of people needs to see this, because a lot of people are suffering from this. Thank you for watching. Bye.